What's in the box? What's in the stinking box? Well, this is actually the BRN-180 2nd Gen 16-inch upper receiver from Brownells. We finally get to test out this upper along with the KSG. We're going to take it to the range, see how it shoots. The barrel on my AR-15 was shorter than 16 inches, so it was an AR pistol, not an AR rifle. This is 16 inches, so this is going to turn my AR pistol into an AR rifle, which is completely legal to do. However, if you try to do the opposite and you took a normal rifle and you try to put a shorter barrel on, that's going to be illegal. Before we start shooting, I want to give a huge shout out to Brownells. They're today's video sponsor. Not only did they send us this awesome upper, but they also sent us 1,000 rounds of 223. In the description below, I'm going to leave my affiliate link with Brownells, so if you buy anything from that link, I'm going to get a small percentage of that sale. And if you like guns, they really have everything you need. Rifle parts, optics, magazines, ammunition, guns. Next time you need ammo or anything gun related, consider using my affiliate link to go to their website. It really does help the channel. Called up the agency, told them to send me the best model they have, and they gave me this guy Callan. Which, lucky for me, he knew a lot about guns. This is actually his scope on the rifle. That optic is going to be the Vortex Strike Eagle 1.8. And I'm going to go ahead and let the gun speak for a moment. At this point of the video, Callan went ahead and took the BRN-180, put it on his lower, which did look a little bit nicer, it felt a little bit nicer, and in all transparency, it was a lot nicer. So while you watch Callan shoot just under 100 yards downrange, I'm going to go ahead and go over some of the highlights of the BRN-180. This is going to be super reliable with the AR-180 piston operating system. It's also going to be compatible with all of the current military spec AR-15 lowers. The upper is going to be chambered in 223, it's going to have that 16-inch barrel, and the total weight is going to be 4.65 pounds. The design was inspired from the Armalite AR-180 from the 1960s. They took the improvements from the AR-18 and the AR-180, and they put that into this upper. Well, looky there. We have our first jam with the BRN-180. This is maybe 75 rounds deep, and it jammed up. We're going to go ahead and clear it, put the magazine back in, go ahead and see if that's going to jam again, and spoiler alert, it did jam one more time. However, we didn't clean this gun like you're supposed to before you go shoot. We were a little too excited. So it did jam twice on us, but that was probably because we didn't do a proper cleaning before. We are going to clean this when we get home. Make sure it's ready to go next time we test it out. We will be looking to see if it jams again, but I highly doubt it will once we get this a good cleaning. We're going to be testing out the BRN-180 a lot more in the future, so subscribe so you don't miss that. But right now we're going to pull out the KSG and test it out as well. This is the KSG from Kel Tec. When I hear people talking about this gun, they either absolutely love it or they absolutely hate it. There's no in between. A lot of people are saying after about 500 rounds of buckshot, this gun is going to be completely useless. This is actually the first time I've shot the KSG. We got Callan here loading this up with some target shells. We're going to be using some buckshots later. We heard a few people say that this gun has a little bit of a kick to it, and we can confirm that those people are correct. This thing kicks like a son of a gun. Just to spice things up a little bit, we're going to throw in one more shotgun. This is Callan's Benelli M4. We're going to shoot them both, but first, let's watch me get knocked around by this KSG. That was embarrassing. We saved the best for last. We're bringing out the 2 liters and the buckshot. Up first, we have the generic Coca-Cola going against the Benelli M4 loaded with buckshot. Let's see how it holds up. Well, for the first round, we have a clear winner. But we have generic root beer here, and we're going to try this one more time with the Benelli M4, see if it's going to be any different with me shooting. I didn't love the explosion on that root beer, so I'm going to go ahead and let Callan use the KSG to hit our last 2 targets. Curiosity got the best of Callan right here. For liability reasons, do not try this at home, kids. We only have 1 2-liter left, so we're going to get quite a bit closer so we can get a slow-mo shot. We shot the first 2 bottles with the Benelli M4. We're shooting the last 2 bottles with the KSG. We only have 1 bottle left, and it's going to be in slow-mo, so here we go. The KSG has 2 different tubes that can hold 7 shells each, and you put 1 in the chamber, making it a 14+1. We're going to throw 6 shells in here and shoot it as fast as we can. If you made it this far in the video, guys, go ahead and smash that like button. It helps YouTube know that you liked the video and share it with more people, which helps the channel grow. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments below, or if you have any suggestions for videos you want to see in the future, let me know. If you just absolutely loved today's video, go ahead and subscribe. We have a lot more videos coming out, and I don't want you to miss anything. I also wanted to remind you that my affiliate link to Brownells is below, so if you want to buy anything gun related, go ahead and use that link to go to their website. They have ammo, they have guns, they have optics, check them out. I also wanted to give one more huge shout out to you for watching this video. I really do appreciate it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.